What is up, guys? Happy Tuesday. I hope you are all having an amazing day. I'm going to be showing you how I make my new potato recipe. Now these are russet potatoes. We're going to get them all nicely chopped up, washed, and I'll show you exactly how I make them. So we just put the potatoes on the stove. We're gonna let them boil for about 10 to 15 minutes. Once you think that the potatoes are ready, just to be sure, grab a fork, poke it through, and if you notice that the fork goes in nice and easy, then they're probably ready. Now, as you saw there, in the previous clip, I added 1 teaspoon of salt and 2 teaspoons of baking soda. Now the baking soda is in there just to help get these potatoes nice and crispy and nice and brown. So that is the secret, that is the trick for this recipe. Now let that finish cooking and then we'll get on to the next step. So the potatoes are almost ready. They're gonna take another 5 minutes, 5-10 minutes in the water. So I just wanna show you the seasonings and spices I'm gonna be using once they're ready. So here we have the basic ones are some salt. We're gonna add some pepper, some garlic powder, some paprika right there. Sometimes I like to use smoked paprika, but this time I'm only using regular. And I'm gonna put 1 teaspoon of olive oil. And here you can see I have potato skins. I'm probably gonna make some potato skin chips out of those, that's for sure. I'm not gonna let those go to waste. Okay, so I like to make these potatoes with, usually I eat them with some steak or some chicken breast, but I like to show you some stuff from the Movie Star Chef Recipe Cookbook, some different ideas you could have. So here, you could have it with some steak. You know, I like to make my poutine. I like to make this, this potato recipe used with the poutine. Here I have some air-fried buffalo chicken bites, have the potatoes on the side. Here's the turkey meatloaf with the french fries or with these potatoes on the side. Many different options here. You have some sweet potatoes. You could even take this recipe and try it with sweet potatoes and some steak. Some potatoes with the burger. Oh, it's awesome. That's an awesome combination right there. Here we have an egg and omelet with potato scramble. You could do the omelet and then you could do these potatoes on the side. That also works. Here we have some plain flank steak with potatoes on the side. Here, what else do we have here? Here I have a shish tao platter. So you can take this recipe, make the potatoes with the chicken and the rest of the recipes there. And if you guys don't have your copy of the recipe cookbook, the link will be down in the description. Chili cheese fries, you can take the recipe and make chili cheese fries with this recipe. Or you could do the cheeseburger platter. I love this recipe. It's one of my favorite. I have a couple times per week. Instead of having the burger with the bun, I have a big cheeseburger platter with the fries, burger fries. Here we have, okay, this is a pizza. You could have a pizza with the potatoes on the side also. Many different options. Go get your book, go get your copy before Christmas, perfect time. Here we have the desserts. Here we have some other recipes. Here's some sides. Those are the classic quinoa potatoes. Many different options. Go get your book. Link is in the bio. Okay, so the potatoes are ready. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the strainer, we're gonna strain them, and then we're gonna pour them in the bowl. And then we're gonna mix it with all the seasonings that I just showed you. And then we're gonna put it in the air fryer. Okay, so I'm gonna put my camera down and we'll see you later. I put my timer for 20 minutes. The air fryer is on high, 400 degrees, and that's the temperature you want to set it at. Now, if you're making these in the oven, you would put it at 400 degrees. If you have bake affection, that would be the best option. Or you could put it on like bake regular and then flip halfway, and then you could just put it on broil on high for the last 5-10 minutes, just to get them nice and brown and nice and crispy, because that's what we want for this recipe. Nicely brown, crispy potatoes. Okay, so they're ready. Look at that, nice and brown, nice and crispy. Now these are great alone or with some low sugar ketchup or some mayo mixed with some sriracha. Sometimes I like doing, or just some mustard or some, you know, some salt and some vinegar. Endless choices. So good, so good. Try this with your next meal, with your steak, with your chicken, or just alone if you need a little late night treat with some salt, some vinegar, some ketchup, whatever, however you like it. All right, guys, so that's it for the video. That's the recipe for the week. Try it out. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you next time.